What's good in the hood, y'all? I'm back with another video on my MEEPO board, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the urethane and basically the back part of the wheels. What you're going to need are your tools and these two things right here. You're going to need one of this, the brake lubricant, and this Threadlocker blue thing, whatever crap. And there's no weight on it, it won't make no noise like here. Let me show you guys. Okay, that's on, right? Alright, here he goes. It sounds normal, kind of, right? Yeah, but when you put weight onto it, then you'll hear the click, 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 click. So, I am going to show you guys how to stop that. Alright guys, I am back. You guys can't really see me, but I managed to do one side of it, and it went really well. It came off perfectly. Now I'm going to do the second side. Yes, I'm wearing gloves because it gets really messy. Alright, ready? Let's get into it, y'all. can never get that intro right. What's good in the hood, y'all? I hope you guys liked that video, and hopefully that really helped you guys out. That was my first time taking it apart and like cleaning it a little bit and putting it back together. It was an awesome experience. I really enjoyed it. It was easier than I thought. There was somebody that commented on my video and they told me I should use a different type of lubrication. I forgot which one, but if you guys see it in one of my videos, you guys can read about it. He put it somewhere in there. He was really helpful. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna test it out tomorrow and I'll let you guys know more updates on it. Why did I say it like that? Alright guys, thank you for watching my videos. Give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Be safe, take care, deuces, yadidimeen.